Ever looked at your car and thought, this thing is painfully boring? What if I told you you could turn it into something fun, stylish, and unique without spending a fortune? Today I'll show you how to transform a dull daily driver into a car you actually want to drive for under $2,000. 1. Understanding your car. Before you grab a wrench or head to eBay, you need to understand what makes your car boring and what makes it fun. Most boring cars suffer from 3 main issues: lackluster appearance, uninspiring performance, and a lack of personality. Step 1 is assessing your car. Is it a bland commuter? Does it feel slow or unresponsive? Does it have a plain interior that makes you dread sitting inside? Once you identify the weak points, you can focus your $2,000 wisely. The goal isn't to turn it into a supercar, it's to make it engaging. That means small, clever changes that have a big psychological impact. It's about creating a car that feels alive, responsive, and just a little bit rebellious. 2. Cosmetic upgrades. Make it look cool. Humans are visual creatures. A car that looks boring immediately feels boring. Luckily, small cosmetic tweaks can transform its presence dramatically. 1. Wheels and tires. Old steel rims can make even the fastest car look like a grocery getter. Swap them for aftermarket rims or even thrifted alloys and pair them with slightly wider or sportier tires. Cost? $500, $700 max. Suddenly, your car looks aggressive without changing a thing under the hood. 2. Lighting. Replacing old dull headlights with crisp, modern LED bulbs changes the entire front end. Add subtle smoke tail lights or accent lights inside the cabin. Small changes, huge impact. This is the easiest way to make people notice your car. 3. Wraps, decals, or vinyl. You don't need to paint the car. A partial vinyl wrap, racing stripes, or subtle accents can give personality. Even $200 invested in vinyl can make a bland silver sedan look sporty and unique. 4. Interior refresh. Swap seat covers, steering wheel covers, or add small gadgets like a new shift knob or pedal covers. The interior should feel fun to touch and use. $100, $300 can make a huge difference. 3. Performance upgrades. Make it feel alive. Looks get attention, but real fun comes from how the car drives. You don't need a $50,000 budget to improve performance. 1. Suspension and handling. Even cheap coil springs or strut braces can make the car feel more connected to the road. Sharp cornering and less body roll make daily drives feel like mini adventures. Budget $200. 2. Intake and exhaust. A cold air intake or a catback exhaust can improve throttle response and give a more aggressive sound. This doesn't just improve performance, it gives the car personality. Budget $300, $500. 3. Tires. We mention them for looks, but good tires also improve grip dramatically. Cheap high-performance tires or slightly wider options can transform how your car feels in corners and under braking. Budget $400 to $600. 4. Weight reduction. Removing unnecessary weight like old spare tires, junk in the trunk, or heavy aftermarket parts you don't need makes acceleration and handling snappier. Cost free, impact noticeable. 4. Driver engagement. Make it fun to drive. Sometimes, fun isn't about horsepower, it's about connection. 1. Manual controls. If your car is automatic and you can afford a manual swap in a cheap platform, it's transformative. Feeling the car react to your inputs makes every drive engaging. 2. Steering feedback. Check tire pressures, steering fluid, and alignment. Small tweaks make the car feel more responsive. You'll notice a difference even at slow speeds. 3. Pedal feel. Add pedal covers or simply adjust seat and steering wheel positions for better ergonomics. Comfort plus control, more confidence and fun. 4. Tech that excites. Cheap digital gauges, smartphone mounts with car apps, or a simple Bluetooth stereo upgrade can make the car feel modern and connected without breaking the bank. $50, $200 is enough. 5. Personality boosters. Make it your car. The final layer of fun is personality. This is where your creativity truly shines, turning a simple car into something that reflects you. Custom sounds. The right sound can make all the difference. Whether it's a new exhaust tone, a more dynamic stereo setup, or even a quirky horn upgrade, these tweaks give your car a voice. It should sound as bold as it looks, making every start and every rev a little thrill. Sound adds character. You'll notice it every time you hit the accelerator. Lighting effects. Subtle lighting changes can dramatically change the feel of your car. Think soft underglow, interior LEDs, or footwell lights that illuminate the cabin at night. You're not building a nightclub on wheels, just a small stylish touch that makes getting in and driving more enjoyable. Every night drive becomes a small adventure. Theme decor. Personalized touches matter. License plate frames, small badges, or accent colors on mirrors and trim make the car uniquely yours. These small details turn a standard ride into a vehicle with identity, showing that fun isn't just speed, it's pride and personality. Community involvement. Cars are meant to be shared. Join forums, local car meets, or social media groups. When others appreciate your ride, you'll gain new ideas and a sense of camaraderie, making your car even more enjoyable. Fun is contagious, and your personality is the spark. Spread the money across categories: $700 for wheels and tires, $500 for suspension and exhaust tweaks, $300 for interior upgrades, $200 for vinyl, decals, and minor cosmetic changes, $200 for miscellaneous personality touches. That's $1,900. Still under budget, with every dollar spent giving a visible or tangible improvement. The magic comes from small strategic changes that multiply the fun factor. 7. Testing and enjoying your car. Once upgrades are done, take your car on a long drive. Feel the new suspension, notice how the tires grip better in corners, enjoy the improved sound and interior comfort. Fun isn't about speed, it's about engagement. Invite friends for a weekend cruise. Watch heads turn at a stoplight. Realize that your once boring car is now something you look forward to driving every day. Remember, the goal isn't to become a professional racer, it's to make every drive enjoyable. You'll smile more, notice details on the road, and rediscover why you bought the car in the first place. Conclusion: turning a boring car into a fun one under $2,000 is absolutely possible. With creativity, strategy, and smart spending, even the dullest car can feel alive. Small changes to look, feel, and personality multiply, giving you a car that excites every time you drive it. So stop waiting. Pick one upgrade today, make your car yours, and start enjoying the ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Subscribe for more.